Risentric Electric, established in 2005, is a national high-tech enterprise focused on power transmission, distribution, and industrial electrical solutions. Precision manufacturing ensures consistent quality in every product. Built with trusted components for long-term performance. Powering industries with reliable electrical solutions.
否则我们尽量帮他考虑周全。
Delivering power solutions that support modern infrastructure worldwide. Reliable power built for the future.